Tuesday the 13th. This is the daily open range filter template, trading one contract and targeting 500. As you can see, I'm looking short. I am looking for a move down with a test attempt at 12,080. So the trick is, if by the time it's closer to the open, they reached it or they're close to it, I will disable this template because I would not want to take a short right into 12,080. Not saying it can't go lower, but to me 12,080 is important, so I would not want to take a short into it. So just hoping a bounce, hopefully to maybe 150, 160 would be great. So those of you who watched the video on Thursday, I was saying daily close above 11,520 should lead to 12,000. Sure enough, they closed above 520. I purchased some call options, covered most of them when it got to 12,000, kept a few for a possible attempt at 12,430. So for that to happen, they need to close above around 230. So that's for later on. As far as day trading, looking for an initial move down, looking for a test of 12,080. I have a number of templates in full automation, which I will show later on during recap. This template will start trading at 932. The filter itself will show up at 9:30. Trading will start at 9:32 just in case they need to bounce up first. I wouldn't want to get caught in a short trade as they're bouncing up. Ultimately, though, they should test that 12,080. So 9:32 trading will start. Okay, the 13th in the afternoon, or just about the afternoon, 11:53. Just trying to catch another trade on this 10-minute chart. It took a short upon a retracement of 35 ticks. So far today, it is up almost 2,000. This is the 10-minute with a higher target, and this one has the max loss is 1,500. So on this template, the loss is half the target. If you remember, my other 10-minute chart had max loss that was higher than the target. And that did bother me a bit, so I kind of reworked the 10-minute chart and I'm trying a different approach. So not sure if this short's going to work out. I hope it will, which is why I am trying to record it. I think it should. We should have another leg down, so I feel pretty good about this trade. All right, first target is hit. Sorry guys, I'm eating lunch. um, Here is first target. Amazing day for this template today. Actually, I'm going to show all the other fully automated templates. Amazing day, fully automated templates. I am going to set now break even stop because this template did so well. I want to finish it on a good note. If a price bounces here, it might not. It doesn't look like it will. So just a great day for this template. And here is a full target. Wow, with positive slippage. Now check this out. Look at this total. That is incredible. The daily target here is 3,000. Look at the daily total over 3,300. That's after commissions. An amazing day for this template. Give me just 1 minute. I'm gonna go over some other charts. So this template, first there was a long, then let's make it a little bit bigger. So this template is slightly different than the other 10-minute chart I've shown in a precision trend, in a sensitivity. There's a difference there. This one has, I believe, a 35 tick pullback. Yep, 35 tick pullback. The other one has 20 tick pullback. So changed a couple of things, but the most important thing I changed is setting the target, daily target, to 3,000 and the stop to 1,500, so that even if I just win half the days, at least in theory, because I can't imagine it would hit its target every day on a winning day. So, but overall, even if only half the days are profitable days, I still should come out ahead. I'm not sure if I showed the computer clock. So there was a long first, a change in trend, a 35 tick pullback. It doesn't look like much, but this is a 10-minute chart, and with today's volatility, just hitting targets. And as far as, yeah, so it's 100 and 300 tick targets. And then a short, again, 35 tick pullback and hitting targets. This is an amazing, I don't know if I ever had this much of a positive slippage. This was a very fast move down, I guess. Again, it's hard to tell on a 10-minute chart. Maybe on a smaller chart, you would see it as one drop. This is almost a $400 positive slippage. So pretty incredible. Let's look, what should we look at? Let's look at the 30-minute. Okay, the 30 minutes, which I disabled after it came within, looks like $300, or yeah, it's about $300 of its target. So this one has a $1,500 target. And so there was a long here upon a pullback of 30 ticks, and then a short, again, after a pullback of 30 ticks, and hitting 1193 again after commissions. So a great day for this chart. The line break. So the line break, two trades, a short and a long. Now, one thing I've noticed with the line break, I always hit, I always hit negative slippage with the line break chart, because the target here is 750. And you can see that it stopped trading after reaching 685, which means there was negative slippage when it got out with the daily target was hit. So on the line break, for whatever reason, more often than not, I hit a negative slippage on that. Let's look, did we see that? Well, I recorded the open range filter trade, but let's find it. So the open range filter trade. So I set it to trade at 932. I was afraid of an initial kind of move up and getting into a long trade. So when you see here, 932 is when the session started. So of course, sometimes it helps. Today did not. Today actually it would have been much better if I just started it right at 930 and it would have taken a short right from here, as opposed to, you know, waiting and taking a worse price. Of course, there's no way of knowing ahead of time. Sometimes this idea of postponing the starting time by a minute or two, sometimes it makes a difference and keeps you out of a losing trade. Today, it would have been better if I just left it at 930. But in any case, target is hit on this trade as well. So overall, just an amazing day for the Autotrader today. Just a great way to start the week. I did not trade yesterday, but I did keep call options. If you saw the video on Thursday, I was talking about daily close above 520, which should lead to 12,000. So once Thursday closed, now Thursday closed at 5 40, I believe. Let me take a look. Hold on 1 minute. So this was Thursday's close. This is a 5-minute chart, and Thursday closed right around 555 or so. So for me, it was definitely above 520. Although I was a bit cautious because the reality is with this volatility, even 30 points could be considered neutral. But anyway, it closed well. And the following day, I bought a whole bunch of call options for 12,000. Which I cashed most of them in when it reached 12,000. I'm still holding some, and I'm holding some for the possible attempt, and they don't have to do this, but a possible attempt at 12,430. So I'm still holding a few call options for that possibility. We need to see what's going to happen. So I am done for today. Leave a like. If you have any comments, please leave a comment. I will try to answer as best I can.